For Kingston, what began as a small garage setup 35 years ago has since grown into a global powerhouse. Today, we are a leading provider of computer memory and flash-based data storage products by being the #1 third-party DRAM vendor for the last 19 consecutive years and the #1 channel vendors for SSD. Since its creations over 3 decades ago, the company has evolved into a truly global organization.
2CSI stands for Consultancy, Console, Research, Services and IT. It was founded in 2005 by the Wilmot brothers in Strasbourg, France. And the idea was to bring to the market HPC and very high-performance solutions.
Our data storage solutions, such as SSDs, USB drive and SD card, as well as our memory modules, are world-renowned for their performance and reliability. Going back to Kingston origins, we saw the need to offer memory products that enable our customers and partners to succeed. With the growth of cloud application and data centers, which change the way data is being processed and stored, it made sense to apply our expertise to this evolving industry, which we have been doing for over decades. Our memory and data storage solutions are the backbone of how server infrastructure works.
Liquid cooling is a way to deploy new IT solutions today. The problematic that we encounter today are of the number 3. We have problematics with the Moore's law, where today the chips are getting more and more powerful every day, but it does produce quite a lot of heat. And then you have the density problem, where you are going to put way more IT in a very small space. You're going to need to be able to cool it more properly. And then with the energy crisis of today and the problem with global warming, you need to address the sustainability problem. So liquid cooling is here to answer those 3 problematics. Today, there are 2 different types of technologies. The first one is called direct-on-chip. It's where we put water blocks and cooling capabilities over the chip themselves. And then there is immersion cooling, where we dunk the servers directly into a dielectric liquid in order to spread out the heat across the liquid.
Our work with 2CSI has been a true success story in how partnerships should be. We work closely with the team here, not only from a commercial and supply perspective, but we also take huge pride on how we collaborate and support them on a technical standpoint. To be successful, a truly collaborative approach rather than just a vendor-customer relationship is the main reason for our collective success.
We are working with Kingston for about a decade now. For years, we are working directly with them. This allows both our R&D department to work closely together in order to provide the best experiences and performances towards our clients. So this relation allowed us as well to work on the future of the different chips that we can have on the market, address always the best performance and never have a compromise between performances and deployment capabilities.
In the future, our continued work will only go from strength to strength. In 2CSI, we not only do have a trusted partner, but we know that we work with a talented team who share our ambitions in creating sustainable solutions that will continue to answer questions both of today's and the challenges of tomorrow.
With Kingston, the future lies with the capabilities to look towards high-performance solutions such as overclocking, way to deploy it with our cooling capabilities, and to work on use cases that will actually change the IT as we see in the future. Tackle the problematics such as, again, energy consumption out of the systems, the ability to pick the right components for the right usage, sort of a custom-made hardware in order to provide the best performances towards our multiple clients.